What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. So, my throat is absolutely killing me. I'm going to do my best to talk for as long as I can, but if I get a little quiet, you guys know why. It's just because my throat's hurting. But hopefully everybody made money yesterday. Yesterday was a fantastic day. And hold on, let me get a couple things set up, then we're good to go. Good morning. Tons of 4-hour squeezes. I haven't even looked at the market. The only thing I know is that the SCHW gapped up, and that's what I like. So hopefully we can hold up here. I will be looking to trim and set the runners to break even. So we'll see. Other than that, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. And thank you guys for 30K subscribers. I greatly appreciate it. I'm pretty sure I have strep. Pretty sure. We'll see. Might go to urgent care today. Anyways, so yeah, yesterday was a nice day. Netflix and QQQ traded both of those to the upside. Netflix really didn't make too much money on because I got a terrible fill. Had to market order it, but we talked about it yesterday. As soon as it started to break above the trend line, it was at like 238.75. That's when we got long. Nice little push to the upside, trim, and then eventually sold out once we started breaking back down. But then the real winner yesterday was on QQQ. So with QQQ, I ended up missing the 61.8% retracement. I really wish I caught it. Had a little bit of FOMO. But as you see, we came right down to it and then ripped to the upside. So I didn't get that. But what I did get was this bull flag right here. And as it came down, hit that 8 EMA and then reclaimed the bull flag trend lines, that's when we got long with the stop loss set at like 269.75. So then as QQQ continued to go up, trim, beautiful trade. So hopefully you guys printed off of that yesterday. Good morning, everybody. Again, if you're just tuning in, my throat's killing me, so I'm going to do my best to be as talkative as possible. But yeah, let's see. Well, let's hope it's not COVID. That'd be terrible. But yeah, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Y'all are the best. Thank you guys for 30K. It means the absolute world to me. 30K subscribers. So yes, let's make this watch list. Hopefully you guys are ready to print. As always, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. I will be answering all the questions that you guys put in the chat. And yeah, let me get everything pulled up. Let's see. All right, cool. And there it is. So somebody said there's a bunch of 4-hour squeezes. No, I didn't go on vacation. Let's see, chart. Bingo. So 1 hour, 4 hour, and then daily. There we go. Okay, start from, let me actually look at the squeeze list. Let me make sure you're not lying to me. What are you talking about? There's a bunch of 4-hour squeezes. What are you smoking? There's one, and it's on Netflix. Anyways, start with the weekly watch list. Amazon. Want to know what's crazy though? We talked about that trend line yesterday on SPY and QQQ. It hit it in the post market and just absolutely ripped. So Amazon, nice little gap up. Let me make sure. Hold on. Let me see the economic calendar today. See what we got. Oh, we don't have anything till 10 o'clock. Perfect. And then, in case you guys are new, make sure to click that like button. I do go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Usually I'm a little more talkative and a little more hyped up, but again, my throat's killing me today. But if Amazon could sit here at this 119.34, I'd be interested for a possible trade to the upside. Amazon, good morning. 1934, yeah, daily 21. We got some room to the upside. Coin. Yeah, we got some stuff at 10 o'clock that we want to pay attention to. Okay, so coin's breaking above the level. Perfect. So remember coin, we were talking about this at that descending triangle on the daily, and it's starting to break above it at 69.14. I'm going to be watching this for a continuation. Watch the $70 calls. Coin. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, let me know. How was everybody's day yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades. We can do this, actually. How did you do yesterday? Green AF. Red. There we go. All right, so NVIDIA breaking above the previous resistance over here. It's trading at that monthly pivot point. I would say if NVIDIA can crack 129.31, could get a nice move to the upside. Green is green. It's okay to sit on the sidelines to start off, especially if you're new. Remember, education always comes first. Again, though, make sure you guys clicking that like button. I don't want to have to keep reminding you, 150 likes, you guys get the watch list. Let's see, Meta. Not interested in Tesla. Bought your first call ever. Nice. How'd it go? Actually, Tesla looks really weak. Not really interested in Tesla. A $1 profit. I'll take it. Nice. All right, let's run through the day trading watch list. Start with Apple. Right up to that 1 hour 34 and the 50% retracement. Apple, really not interested in. Skip over that. Somebody says something about AMD. What it looks like is AMD broke out of this little 1 hour trend right here. Could lead to some further upside. We do have NVIDIA on the list, so I'd prefer to trade NVIDIA. Keep my eye on that. Yep, Tesla does have a monthly squeeze. It looks really good. I'm just waiting for a pullback to that monthly 34 EMA because that's been previous support, I think like 2 or 3 times in the past. Google's trading above 100. I like that. Maybe we can get a bounce off 100 or look for the break above 168. Look for the $100 or $101 calls. That looks really good. Let's see. Google. Let me tell you though, it is absolutely freezing today. It's been raining for the last like 5 days. It's been ridiculous. As you can see at the bottom left, it's 50 degrees out. Let's see, we looked at Meta. I don't think we looked at Microsoft. Yeah, Microsoft breaking above that previous resistance. Is there a reason why we gapped up by like 1.5%? Does anybody know? Probably be interested in a possible bounce off of yesterday's high on Microsoft. Finally back. Glad you're safe. Hopefully you're able to print today. Microsoft doesn't look bad. Let's see. Netflix 4 hour and daily squeeze. Why do I have 2 4 hours here? Nobody even told me that. All right, so Netflix, it did break the trend line we were watching yesterday. It's getting the continuation. Would be interested in a bounce 240.26 or break above 244.25. If that happens, we can get a nice move to the upside. Netflix. Yeah, didn't I say this like months ago that the Fed is being too aggressive and they're going to be forced to cut rates early next year, which is going to be bullish? Can anyone vouch for me that I did indeed say that? Netflix, we looked at Nvidia. QQQ's got a nice 5, 10, 15-minute squeeze. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 250 people up in here and only 96 likes. Remember, if you want the watch list, you got to run it up to 150 likes. Also, if you're new to the channel, I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Plus, I have over 800 videos teaching you on how to trade. If you guys didn't see yesterday's video, make sure to watch this. This is probably like my most favorite video that I've put out in a very long time. Kind of just like a run through of everything I went through to get where I am today. So if you guys want to learn more about that, make sure to watch that video right there. Anyways, QQQ trading at a big level, 280. I think if we can clear 280, we got more room. If we were to sell off, I would probably look for a bounce at yesterday's high. Clean this up a little bit. So yesterday's high was pretty much at 275. So 275 possible bounce. Of course, I'm still in Schwab. Market hasn't even opened yet. Just put on the swing yesterday. Thank you, Nick. I wish you the best, my man. Hopefully you're able to print today. People in California be complaining when it's 75 degrees out, saying it's cold, it's cold. I don't want to hear it. Y'all be wearing hoodies and sweatpants in 80 degrees weather. Crazy. Anyways, with SPY. I had a resistance at 373.44. If we crack above there, I don't have anything till 375.32. Again, gonna look for that possible bounce off of yesterday's high. Possible bounce. Boom. I mean, we bounced right off of that trend line. Remember, I talked about this in Saturday's video. We have that daily trend line going from 1 hit, 2 hit, 3, 4, and then we hit this level the 5th time in the post market. So, I don't know. We might bounce higher. We might end up tanking today. I don't know exactly what's going to happen, but I'm going to watch the technicals and I'm going to look. I'm going to see what we can get. Possible bounce there, but yeah, if we can break above this pre-market high, I think SPY's got that little gap to fill. So SPY and QQQ, obviously going to watch those. And then as far as what I'm actually liking, Amazon, Coin, Nvidia, Google, Microsoft, Netflix, my bad. So before we narrow the list, real quick, in case you guys did not know, my new trading book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, is officially on Amazon. So if you guys do want to learn more about my overall swing trading and day trading strategy in a 450-page book, I'm going to drop the link here in a hot second because I got to do a little tiny URL for it, or tiny URL. There it is. So if you guys want to check it out, boom, there's that. Anyways, let's narrow the list. What we like, what we don't like, then we will go from there. Oh, okay, Amazon, just destroy the level. Never mind. Didn't want to trade you anyway. Forget you. Ignore Amazon. It depends. Really, I don't like using the tick to the upside too much. I like it way more to the downside. Meaning like when the tick opens in the negatives, like negative 1500 or negative 1700. But yeah, it's just because there's too many fake outs when it gaps up like that. That's why I don't really trade it like that. Coin break 69.14, 69.5 is going to be a big level. Got the monthly pivot 70 just because that's going to be psychological resistance, and then we have room to 71.18. Boom. I trade live in Team Bull. Tonight. I didn't pick a winner yesterday. I'm gonna choose it tonight. Anyways, coin. So I do really like coin today. Could even look for that bounce. 66.37. Boom. Coin. Video. Yeah, so Nvidia, I'd be interested above here, or 25.84. All right. So I like Nvidia. We'll keep that. Take Amazon off the list. How many likes we got? We got 250 yet? Or not 250, 150. We need 15 more. Let's see if you guys can do it. Again, though, if you're new to the channel, make sure to click that subscribe button. I go live every single morning. Got tons of free game for you guys. I know if you guys are subscribing because a little dancing SpongeBob will pop up. So if you want to make SpongeBob dance, make sure to click it. But let's see if Google were to break 168. Let's see what person's pivots say. Really not too much room on Google, so gonna ignore that. On Tesla, yes. Overall IV, I mean, I guess it's a little higher than normal. But you can really see the IV in Tesla. All right, so Microsoft. I think we're gonna watch that possible bounce at that 241.61. We break above there, 250. 252.92. So I like Microsoft and then Netflix. Pretty sure Netflix is definitely going to go on the list today. Yep. Take it up to this high. 250. $250.49. The highs. Cool. All right. Let's put Netflix on the list. And our bounce is at two possible bounce areas. 241.54 or 240.22. Boom. For subscribing to the YouTube channel, no, you gotta join Team Bull. Let's see, Netflix. Breaking the 4-hour flag we talked about yesterday. Good morning, Mike. Talked about yesterday. Looking for a further continuation. looking for a break above 244.52 for calls. Price target equal 247, 250, 250.5. Also watching bounces at 251.5 and 240.2. All right, there's Netflix. Nice 4-hour and daily squeeze. Got 150 likes yet? We there? Yeah, we're at 167. There we go. Nice, nice. It's up to you. I don't trade Rivian. If you like your profits, it never hurts to take them. Follow your plan and go from there. But yes, coin. I mean, we could scalp 69.5 if we can clear that. Let's see. $71.18. Seems like this whole area right here, just a whole big cluster of support and resistance. I don't know. Maybe coin. I'm kind of unsure about that. I prefer a bounce. Tesla's not on the list today. I don't like it. I don't like the setup. All right, Nvidia, what did the person's pivot say? Break above 129.31. We got room 2, 130.05. Let's see, daily 21 EMAs at 133.48. 48. It looks like we kind of have a spot right here. Yes, I would consider that. In between these two levels right there. All right, let's get a video on. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. 241. There we go. Let's see, Nvidia. Looking for a break above 129.31 for calls. Let's start to equal 130.06. 130.8. $132.50. 132.50-ish. And then 133.50. Also watching for a bounce at 125.85. Boom. All right, there's Nvidia. And then let's see, Microsoft and coin. We'll get there. We're almost at 150. Or I'm almost done the list. We've been past 150. Let's see. Microsoft's a maybe. I do like that previous day's high as a possible bounce, 241.61. And then what do we got so far? It's just Netflix and Nvidia. Netflix and Nvidia is buying QQQ. CHW. Netflix. Video. Let's see if we can get one more for you guys. Only thing is, I hate these I hate the 2.5 intervals in Microsoft. Like 242.5. I hate those contracts. Let's see if there's even liquidity in coin. There is in the 70 calls. There's actually a really good amount. All right, let's watch this bounce on coin. 66.37. Coin interested in a bounce at 66.37. All right, there's coin. And then Microsoft. We'll see with Microsoft. A little closer to market open, we'll see. But yeah, let's look at oil. Oxy, Exxon. Only issue is they're not giving like good entries. They're just going straight up. So I mean, I'd like a bounce, possibly off that 1 hour 21, but other than that, not too interested in it. So I think what we're gonna do, I'm gonna wait for Microsoft a little closer to market open. But as of now, we have Nvidia, Netflix, and what's the other one? Coin. And then we got our baby SPY, QQQ. Amazon actually doesn't look too bad either, if it can kind of just sit in that area. Amazon. My man Jay Rich, hopefully you've been good, bro. Hopefully you've been good. Again, I'm sorry I sound like I haven't slept in 10 days, but my throat is killing me. But I would say this Amazon actually looks really good if we can clear 119.64. We got some room. Nice 5-minute squeeze. I'm actually going to watch this over Microsoft. Straight shot to 120.52 and 121. Yeah, it's got room. All right, as long as we cannot break above 119.64 in the pre-market, I will be very, very interested. Amazon. Watching the 5-minute squeeze into market open. Looking for a break above 119.64 for calls. Price target equal 120.52, 121.81. Watch yesterday's high for a possible bounce. All right, cool. So that is going to be everything I'm going to be watching today. Again, if you guys haven't already, make sure to click that subscribe button. It'll pop up with a dancing SpongeBob. So, oh my God, they're back again. Get out of here. Nobody wants to go to this website. Yeah, we can check SQ. Just for you, Paul. Let's see. Good old SQ. I would say watch this 58 level. You can see it was resistance on Friday. We had some resistance Thursday. We're resisting in the pre-market. So if we can break above 58, it should be able to go. That's the level I would watch. Yeah, I got to start trading SPX. I want to trade SPX. Yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed. Again, I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. And in case you guys did not know, my new trading book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, is officially on Amazon. If you guys do want to check that out, learn more about my overall strategy. And then here's a list right here. I hang out here till like 8:55. If you guys got any questions, feel free to ask. Let's see. Thank you. 30K subscribers. I greatly appreciate all of you. You guys are the best. Plus, you guys ran it up to 200 likes today. I like it. Coin Amazon. Cool. So like I said, I'll hang out here till 8:55 and answer any questions you guys got. Lulu. I mean, you can't really trade Lulu. There's no liquidity. So let me see. Yeah, there's no liquidity, so I wouldn't even touch it. It's not worth it. There's a million other stocks you could trade. As far as a long-term hold, however. Thank you for the subscribe. I got really close to that trend line the other day, actually. So, and as you can see, it bounced. What else we got? I'm not interested in Tesla today. If anything, Tesla kind of looks weak to me. Could it explode? Of course, but look at that 4-hour. Yeah, I'm just not liking how that 4-hour looks. If you really want to watch Tesla, you can watch it over 252.35. Yeah, so if you got the book off of Amazon or the ebook, just send me a screenshot on my Instagram or Twitter or Discord, and I'll get you guys in the book Discord where I post my trading recaps and everything. Just watching the buyers and sellers as it gets to that level. This dude has a whiteboard that says F Boeing on Twitter. That's funny. I need to get that. Let's see. Coin. I used to do 0 DTE on SPY and QQQ, but I stopped doing it. You can just get burned too quickly. I go to the next expiration. As far as like stocks, Amazon, Apple, Tesla, etc. I just do same week. And with those, I will trade 0 DTE on a Friday. Yeah, that's the level I'm watching on coin. Or no, you gotta I'm watching 66.37. That's my main area. Can also look for the break above 69.14. Seriously though, F Boeing, I used to trade that stock every single day. That was like the only stock I traded for probably 6 to 8 months. Now it just hates me. Anyways. So yeah, everything talked about in this live stream, based on my opinion only. None of this is financial advice. As always, options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment. And let's see, let me pull up this right here. What's the minimum move you'll look for? Honestly, I don't really look for like a minimum move. Like, it's really hard to explain. It's just kind of going off of instinct. So I'm typically watching level 2, watching SPY and QQQ. Let's just say that I get in calls. It's not like I'm saying I'm only trimming if I hit 20%. I'm going to look to get a move, and then I'm going to trim where I feel is necessary. And again, it's super hard to explain, but I feel like it's just something that you build over time. Hopefully that made sense. Like, a lot of people are just like, yeah, I'm going to trim at 15% and I'll sell it if it's at negative 10%. It's just, as soon as I see invalidation in the setup, I don't care if I'm at -2 or -3%, I'm out of it. I don't care if the options are only up +3, +4%. But again, if I'm feeling uncomfortable and I don't think that the stock is going to continue to go in my favor, I'm going to trim some. So there's not like a bare minimum that I look for. It's just what I think and where I feel is necessary to trim or get out of my position. Yep. Let's see what other questions we got. We got 3 minutes. Market sentiment, we bounced off that trend line yesterday. We still look pretty weak. But like I said, I'm smack dead in the middle this week because that is a very strong trend line that we just bounced off of. So, fingers crossed that Schwab can hold. Should be able to bank about 50%, almost 50% if it can hold. Depends if the IV jumps too, because there was a squeeze as well. What else we got? Again, make sure you guys are clicking that subscribe button. I don't think we got any new subscribers during this live stream. I'm greatly disappointed in all of you. Let's see. When you say watch yesterday's high, like yesterday, not post-market, not pre-market, yesterday's high. Any other questions, or is everybody good? About to go make myself some protein oats. Yeah, so I was watching WWE. I actually had it on my watch list. Let me pull it up. WWE. You did sub. Did the SpongeBob pop up? Or did I just miss it? So I was watching WWE. I had it on my watch list last week, and I knew I should have entered it. Overall, the price target was 75.23. So, I mean, if we can get a pullback to that daily 21, I'll be interested. But there it is. Boom. But if we don't get it, I'm not going to chase it. It looked really good. And again, I knew I should have just entered it last week. But yeah, it's gone. So I'll look for any pullbacks. Other than that, not really going to do anything. Let's hope the Dixie dumps more, because I'm currently getting railed on USD JPY. I'm still short. Haven't sold it. Let's see. Oh, I did. I guess I'm losing it today. Yeah, and you guys are all loyal. Really, in the book, I talk about my entire day trading, swing trading strategy. I talk about some of the basics at the beginning, but then I go further in depth on all the indicators that I use, and basically what I look for entering the trades. So, $55 book, I would say probably one of the best investments you'll ever make. Boom. Try to price it as best as I could. 450 pages, so you're literally getting top-notch information for only 55 bucks. I ain't out here charging 100. Yeah, I guess I'm losing it. Maybe we did get some new subscribers. Yeah, I'm going to watch SPY and QQQ. Right now, again, I'm just kind of smack dead in the middle. I'm just going to keep an eye on them. QQQ, I want to see it break above 280 for a further continuation. SPY, it just came up to that gap fill in the pre-market, 373.44. So if we can break above that, then I will be interested. That is pretty much it. We got some orange dots going into the open on the 5-minute, and QQQ squeezing on the 5-minute as well. So I will be watching squeezes very closely. But yeah, so I'm gonna hop off, make some breakfast. As always, make sure you guys are subscribed. I already dropped the watch list, so if you don't see it, scroll up. It is in the chat. I do wish everybody the best today. I hope everybody's able to make some money, and I will be live again tomorrow, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Everybody have an amazing